My name's Pria. We actually are new up here. We came from Pittsburgh, so this is all new for us. We had this hailstorm, I believe, last year, and we had a guy doing the, estimates and looking up. We found out that we had damage. Last year, we tried to get a roof done, but the deductible was pretty high. Since we bought this new house, moved in, we had quite a few expenses and a new addition to the family too. So it was too much for us. We couldn't pay the deductible at that time. We kind of blew it off. And this year we tried to get the roofing done. Luckily, we had OKC Roofers. They were going door to door, introducing themselves. So I spoke with them. So David actually came knocking to our door, and he was the one like, please, like before you really want to go ahead with us, look at our ratings, look it up. I did Google, and I've always found positive reviews, so that kind of just like made me more sure that okay, they got the trust. Yeah, my insurance really gave us a hard time because we had a claim open last year, and then it was never completed. So we had to kind of work with the same claim that was filed last year. And to add on, I'm no longer with Safeco. But surprisingly, I'm paying half of what I paid last year because now I have a new roof. So it cost me less and my insurance is cheaper.
Oh,
yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, they really worked tediously going back and forth with my insurance company and trying to get it done. But I'm really pleased with the roof. It was done within a day. It was very timely, and they said they'll start early morning. They did it by the evening before I even was done with my office work. It was all complete and done. And just like the timing and the communication and the professionalism.